in Design Studio which we can extract to. I have Design Studio open here. This is what it looks like when you open Design Studio. You basically have a blank space over here on the right, and on the left there's a project view. This is just like a folder view. You can see which projects you have open. And if you want to create a new file, you just right click on a project, new, and I'm going to choose model here. And let's just call this tip model. There we go. And this opens up a new model over here on the right. We can't really do much with it right now except add a new object. And we're going to click this plus sign down here and click output object, which adds a new output object to the model. As soon as we click that, we notice something happening up here. This green bar turns red. That means that the object isn't valid anymore. Whenever this bar is green, it's a valid object. Whenever it's red, it's invalid. And it's gonna display some text here about why is it invalid. Now it says the domain model is invalid. The name of the object is empty. That's because we added a new object that doesn't have a name yet. So let's call this object tip. You see the name of it goes here, and before it was just unnamed, and now it's called tip. And now you can see the domain model is valid again. As soon as it started typing, it turned valid. Okay, so now we have this output object named tip. Let's add some attributes to it. Attributes are the variables which can hold any information that you want to extract from a page. Okay, so let's see. We want the number. Well, we're going to give this attribute a name, and it's called a number. Let's set the type to integer, because they're only going to be integer numbers. And also let's check this field required, because we're going to extract a number no matter what. We're not going to give it a default value, and you can also put in comments here if you want to. This part of database key, we'll get back to that in the next tutorial. Okay, just click OK. And I'm going to add a few more. Title of what we want to extract, and we're going to make the type short text. Short text basically means that the text is no longer than one line.